how to change region on TikTok without using VPN. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you on how you can go ahead and do this. This is a step-by-step video, so you will be able to follow easily. Now, once inside your device, you can just go ahead and make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok. You can go ahead and update your application from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on the device that you are using. Now, right after updating TikTok, you want to go ahead and open it up. And once inside, you want to navigate through your profile icon. Now, once inside your profile icon, click on the three lines at the corner of the screen, navigate through the settings and privacy, and inside, you can just go ahead and look for the language settings, which is this one. Once inside language, we then have the app language right here. So you want to click on the app language, and from here you want to choose the region that you want to put in your TikTok. So in my case, I want to select the Dutch region right here, so I'll just go ahead and click on it, and to confirm, you want to hit on done. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.